you like these bows? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make one. First, you take a piece of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Then you open it up, turn it around and do the same thing. Then you take one flap and fold it into a triangle. Flip it over and do the same thing. Then you open up this gap until you have a diamond, turn it around and then fold it down a little bit. Then you open it up and then you need to make a line here and then fold this and then do the same for the other sides. Okay, now you push in the center and then gently push in the sides until you have something like that. Then you take one flap and then fold it in. And then do the same on the other side. Flip it over and do the same thing so you have a diamond. Now you open it up and hold down the sides and then gently push down in the square. Then you turn it around and then have the cut like that. Then you take your scissors and cut the top flap. Then you take the top flap and fold it downwards. Then you take this side and fold it in. And then take the top flap and do the same thing. Then you do the exact same thing on the other side. Then you hold the two flaps down and cut through the middle. Then you take one flap and fold it downwards and then take the other side and fold it down. Then you do the same. Then you turn it over and take this pointed edge and then put it through this side of this little square. And do the same thing. And then you're done.